Alright, how to check the United States of USA national debt.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Country completely for free. This is an article. It's basically just saying that the US national debt is by year, and it's pretty simplified if you want to learn more about, I guess, fiscal policy, or starting all the way back from 1929 all the way up until the present. I mean, it even has different crises right here: bank crisis, fiscal cliff, or trade wars, Trump tax cuts, just everything. It's actually a pretty good website. Check it out. The next one is macrotrends.net, one of my favorites because it shows the debt from the 60s up until the present. If you were to scroll down, we're in a continual uptrend. Debt is just skyrocketing. And if you were to scroll down more, you can even see the GDP debt to ratio and then the similar countries and how they rank, completely for free. The third website is the usdebtclock.org. It will also show you and reveal real lifetime numbers. As you can see, USA is number one. We have $35 trillion because I live in the USA right here, and it'll show you the population, public debt, just everything completely for free.